Namaskar and good afternoon. Match number 27 of the Maharashtra Premier League 2024. Raigad Royals have won the toss and on a bright sunny afternoon, they will be bowling first. Let's have a quick look at both the teams. Eagle Nashik Titans, the focus will be on their batters firstly. Mandar Bhandari, Arshin Kulkarni, Sahil Parakh. Raigad Royals, Siddheshwar in very good form. Mehul Patel, Naushad Sheikh need to give him good company along with Vishant More.
तो हर्षिल कुलकर्णी अच्छे फॉर्म में है. मंदार भंडारी उन्होंने शतक बनाया था.
Manoj Ingle with his swing. So let's begin. चला सुरुवात करूया. चला क्रिकेट खेळूया. T20 चा हा अप्रतिम हंगाम. First ball in the air, almost there to the fielder on the bounce.
अच्छा शेप दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. अच्छा टाइमिंग, बहुत ही बेहतरीन, अच्छे फॉर्म में दिख रहे हैं.
Wow, picture perfect. Put the foot on the gas and try and be at least on the top of the points table. That's a big wicket. Straight up, that's a big wicket. Arshin Kulkarni drawn forward. The bottom hand coming off the bat and a simple catch to the skipper. Arshin Kulkarni departs for naught. It's 8 for 1.
Sahil Parakh best of 40, but he can do really better than that. It's gone high up in the air. It's a chance. Two fielders. Yes, taken.
The slower ball was looking to go straight past the bowler. Got the elevation that he was looking for, but of course, not the distance. Sahil Parakh departs for 2. It's 11 for 2 now, the Titans.
Nicely driven. What a shot that is from Mandar Bhandari. It's raining a little heavily here in Gahunze in Pune. So the groundsmen are ready, just waiting for the instructions from the umpire. The moment the umpire signals, they are ready.
And it's now a 14 overs a side contest. Power play is now only 4 overs. So we are done with the power play. And there are no timeouts now in this contest. Plays that one. Oh, what a catch there. What a catch.
That's a beautiful side. Didn't time it too well. Well done. Mandar Bhandari gone for 22, 29 for 3 now.
Atharva Kale, the new man in. This time pulls that one. And over.
Shot again. Timed it well all the way. Another 6. What a hit.
Shots up. He's greeted. Welcome with a straight hit. Got his delivery and he pulls that one. Oh, what a shot.
Bettering shot. Over the bowler's head.
Is now on 8. He'll face up to him. Oh, what a way to start. The ball sails over the long on fielder. And once again, this time straight up. Yet another 6. The long off fielder this time. Again this time. Yet another 6. Third 6 of this over.
Yeah, Mani, that's true. You cannot judge a player just based on the T20 format. For a longer version, I think there are different skill set that is required. He also fared well in the 4-day tournament also.
The 2 successive 6s.
Ingle to continue. Low full toss, goes straight up. Fielder, deep mid wicket. Comes under it, taken. Straight up in the air. Nicely judged by Rishabh Rathod. And yes, that was an important wicket. Nicely judged. Kaushal Zambe dismissed for 34, 101 for 4. Fox Millinser, 20 over contest, always exciting. 14 overs contest, even more exciting now.
Excellent timing here. Beautiful pickup shot here. Atharva Kale has hit 7 6s. Not a single boundary. बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी हो रही है और ये फाइनल की दिशा पे चौका मिला है. Joint fastest 50 for Atharva Kale. What an inning. बहुत ही बेहतरीन
And he goes again, straight as an arrow, straight on the side screen.
ये यहाँ पर डालोगे तो बिल्कुल मौका बनेगा और बना हुआ है ENT की 125 पर 5 है 11.4 ओवर पर अच्छा कैच अच्छा कमबैक किया यहाँ पर थोड़ा काले 57 और 18 बॉल्स
Comes Ranjit Nikam. The strike rate is important now.
यहाँ पे शिंदे एक बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश चौका है थर्ड मैन पर
He'll have to hit that harder, and yes, power is what he has.
ये हवा में गेंद है बिल्कुल बॉलर ही कैच पकड़ सकते हैं अच्छे फील्डर है बहुत ही बेहतरीन फील्डिंग बढ़िया कैच यहाँ पे बच गए जो धनराज रह जाते हैं यहाँ पर तो दूसरे 2-3 छक्के देखने मिलते मिस टाइम हुआ ये गेंद अच्छी थी बढ़िया गेंदबाजी और उससे बेहतरीन कैच
146 for 6. And Mukesh Chaudhary comes in again.
और यहाँ पर भी शॉर्ट बॉल क्या बेहतरीन शॉट रंजीत निकाम कमाल का शॉट ये बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश यहाँ पर 2 की तलाश में है मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे बिल्कुल रन आउट यहाँ पर दूसरे रन के लिए जाते ऊपर अच्छी सही निर्णय था आपको दूसरे रन के लिए जाने आए पर एक अच्छी बारी खेल के गए रंजीत निकम भी
At 156 for 7. Look at that. Atharva Kale top scoring with 57 of just 18 deliveries.
That's the revised target. As per the DLS method, it's going to be 155 runs in 14 overs.
Siddesh Veer, 342 runs to his name, 98 not out the best.
Siddesh Veer as a new opening partner. Yesh Nahar.
Mukesh Chaudhary, who's picked up 10 wickets in the tournament so far, best of 3 for 30. The single to start with. Good running. Converted that 1 into 2.
In place, Mukesh Chaudhary once again. This time plays it down the ground. And the floodgates have opened in the very first over. Again this time has not timed it. Straight to, oh, dropped it. Arshin Kulkarni. Siddesh Veer is walking. What's happening here? Has he dropped it? What's happening? Yesh Nahar is calling him back. This time, once again, this time the calling is clear. No! They clash, but the catch is taken.
Hit it over mid-wicket. Yeah, a shade too quick. A shade too quick. Was late on the ball. Communication. Siddesh Veer finally departs for 6. It's 7 for 1.
New man in, Mehul Patel. Dances down the track and will get a boundary. Yesh Nahar.
That's nicely placed. And will get a boundary, Mehul Patel.
Again this time it's up in the air. Who's under it? Mukesh Chaudhary. Mehul Patel, the pressure started telling on him. And he had to play that shot. And Mukesh Chaudhary has it easy.
Mehul Patel, who departs for 7, 24 for 2.
The skipper of Raigad Royals, Naushad Sheikh. Yeah, Yesh Nahar putting pressure on him.
This time he will get a boundary. Rehan Khan comes into the attack. That's nicely hit. One bounce into the fence.
बड़ी शॉट बैक ऑफ द हैंड डालने की कोशिश
This time he hits it really well. That's a 6. A good finish to the over.
didn't time it too well, straight into the fielder's hand, bowling from a lot behind. Scored a useful 28, 66 for 3.
Rishabh Rathod is the new batter. Prashant Solanki and then Akshay Vaikar in the previous over. This one in the gap will be a boundary. Full toss, but once again, oh, the fielder completely missed it.
To him. Nicely played. but taken straight into the hands of the fielder. I think he timed it too well. And this is what we normally say. Sometimes when the batter doesn't time it too well, should think that they're lucky.
Rishabh Rathod gone for 10, 84 for 4. Vishant More, best of 68 this season. Fielder there on the boundary line. Will be just a single. Wants to come back for the second run. Could be close. Well collected by Mandar Bhandari. Then, we'll have to just check it again. Yes, he's gone. He's short of the crease here. And another wicket in this over. Good throw from Arshin Kulkarni. Vishant More run out for 1. 85 for 5.
The DLS method being implemented. There wasn't a chance. Vicky Ostwal gets off the mark. Has he connected that one? Sweet sound going long. On the leg stump. Is this the biggest six of the Maharashtra Premier League?
बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर लॉन्ग ऑफ के दिशा में बेहतरीन सिक्स.
Comes down the track, misses it. Mandar Bhandari makes no mistake. The left arm spinner gets the left arm spin. Akshay Vaikar.
बहुत काफी आगे चले गए थे और भंडारी विकेट कीपर उन्होंने स्टंप किया 120 पर 6.
Mukesh Chaudhary, the bowler. First ball. Full toss. Chance gone. It's going to be game, set and match for the Eagle Nashik Titans. It was a full toss. Straight up. 122 for 7.
फुल टॉस गेंद बिल्कुल हवा में गेंद है यहाँ पर. बढ़िया कैच अक्षय वायकर का. मिस टाइम हुआ यहाँ पर. फुल टॉस बॉल काफी ऊपर गया था. वेरी वेल जज कैच. 123 for 8. तो मुकेश चौधरी यहाँ पे बढ़िया गेंदबाजी करके ये तीसरी विकेट इस ओवर की. आप हिट करो मिस करो, मैं स्टंप पे बॉल डालूंगा बिल्कुल. मनोज इंगले आउट होके पेविलियन में.
One ball, last ball remaining. And there we go, an appeal not given though. But Eagle Nashik Titans. Nashik Dhol was Lats Paije. Because the Eagle Nashik Titans, the first team to qualify for the playoffs of the second season of the Maharashtra Premier League. The Eagle Nashik Titans were put into bat. They scored 156. And while chasing, Raigad Royals could only manage 124 thanks to some brilliant bowling